In this video, we will discuss clones. This is part 2 of the clone tutorials. In a previous video, we discussed clones and how to deploy clones. In this video, we'll show you how to create clones using arrays, a slightly more advanced feature of clones. So basically, we'll start by creating an array. If you're not familiar with arrays, we do have a video on arrays that you could follow for better understanding. So basically, we'll create an array with 3 URLs as usual. We'll do array, we'll call it my website, and we'll create the first one, and we'll add another array item. Yeah, so we have 3 websites. Now what we will do is we will now launch we'll now launch clones with each URL. So basically, if we wanted to run the curl command on each website, we can use the clones So what will happen is the clone command will launch with 3. It will launch and deploy the curl command in each clone. So the first one launches the command curl DevOpsShell. So with this method, we can have multiple servers in an array. Then we could call the SSH. Basically, we can we can clone SSH, and let's say we create an array of servers. My servers, for example, and what will happen, the clone will identify, and it would go to the array, my servers, see how many servers do we have, how many items do we have in the array, and it will launch a clone for each item with the SSH launching upon opening of the clone. So each clone would open and prompt us for a password for each URL's SSH. Then we could put the password in, and we have an SSH connection and continue to work with the clones. So this is a great method for deploying clones with parameters. Rather than just deploying the clone and going into each one, we could actually create an array and deploy the clone with the array. And that is our tutorial on clones with arrays.